How to delete or leave an fantasy Premier League. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to leave a fantasy Premier League, mini league, or delete a league you have created. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Fantasy Premier League app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the fantasy tab which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And here if you scroll down, there you can see the leagues and cups. So here inside the leagues and cups, you can simply scroll through and find the league that you want to leave. And after that, you can simply tap on it to open the details. And if you are just a participant and not the admin, you will see the option that says leave league at the bottom. So just tap on leave league and confirm your decision, and once you do that, you'll be out of the league. And if you are the league creator, you cannot leave your own league unless all other players leave first. And Fantasy Premier League doesn't allow the admin to leave a league while others are still in it. So here, if you want to delete a league you have created, ask all the members to leave the league, and once it's empty, it will automatically be removed or show you the delete option in the app. And Fantasy Premier League doesn't allow you a direct delete button while members are still in it. And also note that you can't leave public leagues like the Global League, Country League, or Favorite Club League because this league are automatic and can't be removed. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.